Hi guys, I find myself in the pretty unusual position of needing a reliable, accurate, low temperature preheater. It's not something I ever thought that I would need or even considered that might be available, but that's the requirement that I've got, and found this one on Amazon. It is called a BowSats preheating station for mobile heating, phone screen replacement, blah blah blah. It's
I don't know that.
Oh, do shut up, Alexa. It's $56.99, and thought we'd just have a quick look at it today and see if it's going to do what I need. I'm pretty certain it will. So yeah, instruction manual. Don't suppose there's going to be anything too interesting in there. It's obviously clearly made for mobile phone use. There is a silicone pad with it. How to adjust the temperature. Detach screen, or actually tells you how to get a mobile phone screen off, and shows you there with the screen separator in use, you know, the very thin wire on a couple of handles. Don't think it comes with those, but yeah, maybe it does. Right, so let's have a closer look at that. First of all, we've got a pretty over the top chunky cable. Look how thick that is. It's a very good length. We'll be checking that to make sure it is earthed. Just bear with me while we plug it into the pad tester. Yep, that is a pass, so that is at least safe to use. So there is the little silicone pad. So no other tools are included. It shows the screen separator, but it's actually not included. So let's have a look. Let me sit back down again. So yeah, as we'd expect with this sort of, it's enamelled, but there's chips of enamel missing from there. There is the front with set, enter, up and down. We have a push button switch. Wonder if that's lit. Can't tell, we'll find out in a minute. And you can see actually what it is. You can see the heating plate attached to this plate, and it looks exactly the same as the preheaters I've already got. Now actually there is an on-off button at the back as well, so you can leave this plugged in and turned on. 6 amp fuse, yeah, okay, and then yeah, a soft on-off button at the front there. It looks like it's got a label over it, you know, protector. Yeah, there it is. Let's get that protector off. Okay, let's get this plugged in. Actually, that's going to be a label on there as well. Hopefully that's not going to catch on all the screws. There we go. Pop that on there. So the button is lit. And if we turn, let me take these gloves off, I don't really need them for that, it's not dirty or anything. So we're going to turn that on. There we go. So that's saying it's 11 degrees. Let's see what it's set to. It's not set to anything at the moment, so I'm going to bring that right way down. To say I need a low temperature, and we're going to set it to 22, and then we're going to press enter. No, it seems that it wants, oh, it's already heating up to the higher amount, so let's just check. It's set to 22. We'll enter that, and hopefully it will now drop back down in temperature. So it heats up immediately to whatever it's set to. Obviously the heater is screwed in at the top there, so the heat is going to be in this area, not around the edges until that's warmed up. My purpose, or my intended purpose, is quite a small area to be used, and that will be absolutely fine. The silicone will stop anything getting marked. So we are just going to grab the thermocouple and we're just going to stick it right in the middle. I'll put it there, so yeah, I don't know whether you can see that or not. I can't see the screen. So we're at 30, 33 in the middle. I don't know where this is getting its reading from. Set is 22, actual is 30. See if we can calm that down a little bit. So yeah, it's beginning to go back down on the screen. 28. Doesn't help my finger being on the top. Now 27. Yeah, of course this won't be an issue in normal use because hopefully it will remember the set temperature. In fact, let's find out whether that's the case. If I turn this off here, let it power down. Let's power it up again. It looks like it doesn't remember the set temperature. Oh yes, it does. Yeah, I don't know what it was doing there then. Little read of the manual, I suspect. Why is it on 26? Certainly isn't. Degrees C. Yeah, don't know what that's doing. It certainly isn't 25 degrees. I wouldn't have thought. Let's have a look. Could be wrong. Actually, yeah. Obviously going to take time to settle. Yeah, slowly getting there. So let's try it on a different temperature. That's, you know, some of you might want higher temperatures. So let's take it to 100 degrees. Set that. See how quick that is to get up there. Oh, didn't store it obviously. Try again. Looks like it's set to 100 now, and away it goes, so that's good. Yep, it's pretty hot. Let's get that in the middle. Yeah, you see actually that's pretty accurate now. My arm's not in the way. Oh, it's stuck at 83. I guess it's trying to keep the temperature accurate and not overshoot by miles, so it's just giving it a few seconds to spread the heat out over the hot plate, and then it's going to apply a little bit more power, and I'm hoping it won't overshoot too much. A little red flashing light at bottom right near the 96 bit, that says out underneath it, so I assume that is flashing when the heat's applied. So it'd be very nice not to get any particular overshoot. Yeah, the out light isn't flickering much now, it's just trying to attain and hold that temperature. If you look at the thermocouple, that's on 99, getting up there. The display hasn't gone over 100. Look how accurate that is. Yeah, I just need a little bit of weight on the silicon just to bring it into better contact. And we're right up there. Yeah, I've touched it now and lifted it all up. Just needs a little bit of weight on there. Put that blue tack on there. See, it's sucking the heat out there. So until that silicon is, the blue tack's heated up, that temperature locally will be lower than the hot plate and where it's getting this temperature from. But yeah, very accurate. I'm only heating up very low mass items and at a much lower temperature, so for my use that is going to be absolutely perfect. So yeah, very pleased with that. Didn't even know you could get such a thing that can operate down at the 20-degree region. Looks like it goes all the way down to 1 degree, but anyway, let's set it for what we need. Enter. No, that's not done it, is it? Oh yes, it has. There we go. So that will now drop in temperature, hopefully. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, and it can go, obviously much higher than that. Okay, look, just a quick look at that. I have a particular use for it, so yeah, I hope that was useful.